A young creator named Jordan wanted to build a successful channel. He tried to do everything himself. First, he searched for ideas. Then he wrote the script. Then he tried to design thumbnails. Then he filmed the video. Then he spent hours editing. Then he reviewed everything again. Then finally, he uploaded 7 jobs. Each one took about 1 full day. By the time Jordan finished everything, a whole week had passed just to publish 1 piece of content. He was exhausted. One day, he watched another creator named Maya. Maya also had the same 7 jobs, but she didn't do them alone. One person helped with ideas, another helped with writing, another handled design, another worked on production, another edited, another reviewed, and Maya focused on publishing and strategy. 7 people, 7 jobs. One day later, the content was finished. What took Jordan 7 days took Maya 1. That's when Jordan realized something powerful. Success in content creation isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about knowing who or what tools belong on your team. The smartest creators don't try to be every role. They build systems. If you want the tools creators use to replace a full team, check the pinned comment.